Experiencing issues with your Rogers TV remote? The most common causes are dead batteries or pairing problems. First, replace the batteries with fresh alkaline or lithium ion batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Low battery warnings often appear on screen. If that doesn't work, the remote might need to be repaired with your set-top box. Pairing issues account for a large percentage of Rogers customer service calls, especially with newer Rogers Ignite TV remotes, which are very common. Pairing might fail after updates to the Xi6 box. To pair your Rogers remote, simultaneously press and hold the OK and Home buttons for 3 to 5 seconds. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the displayed code. Ensure there's no obstruction for IR remotes. Voice remotes may require linking via the Rogers app. If pairing fails, a reset might be necessary. Hold OK and exit for 10 seconds until the light blinks. This restores factory settings. Remember, pairing codes for third-party devices integrated with your system. Experts note that many remote issues are fixed with these steps.